Hey y'all, we back with another cooking episode. Okay, make sure you like and subscribe for more stuff like this because y'all know I love to cook and I love to share. And I love when y'all comment back and like and stuff. I love that, okay? Anyway, it's Mother's Day and they fed me breakfast, but they're not going to feed me dinner, okay? Let's be real. I'll feed us dinner. Okay, but anyway, I love them, okay? The breakfast was delicious. It was delicious though. But anyway, we making the chicken and vegetables thing tonight. Okay, so go get you some chicken. I got chicken thighs and some party wings. Add a little bit of oil. You're gonna season the crap out of them. Okay, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, adobo, oregano. And with this recipe, we used some Goya Sazon seasoning. Correct me if I'm saying it wrong, because I would love to say it correctly. But anyway, I done told y'all in the videos before, make sure you got these spices, these seasonings, okay? Salt and pepper are not seasonings. Don't play with me, okay? Go get the seasonings, okay? Anyway, we still love y'all, okay? But you need to flavor your food a little bit more. It'll change your whole life, okay? Anyway, get you a pot that's like big enough for chili, I guess. I mean, mind you, I'm cooking for 7. So get you a pot that fits how many you're cooking for, okay? No big deal. You can use a smaller one, okay? Like I said, it's 7 of us in this tip, okay? Put the chicken in the pot, cook it just so that the seasonings are sticking to the chicken, okay? You just want some color on the chicken, okay? Nothing serious. No, the chicken is not done. You may not eat the chicken. It is not done. I repeat. It looks good, but it is not done. Take the chicken out of the pot, set it aside, and they're going to cut up all these veggies, okay? We had zucchini and onions and garlic and tomatoes and some mushrooms, okay? I found them in the fridge. That's why I was going to make this recipe, because we just not wasting food around here. Heart, y'all. Season the vegetables with your heart, okay? Same way we season the chicken, okay? Same seasonings. And maybe add a little extra pepper or whatever the case is, but season the crap out of these vegetables, okay? Because these gotta carry the sauce. This is a sauce, remember? So season it, all right? So we're gonna let this cook down a little bit, okay? Just let the water come out of it or whatever the case is, because you're gonna, like I said, it's gonna be your sauce. It's gonna be the base for your sauce. You're gonna add some Parmesan cheese, some Parmesan Romano cheese, and a little bit of like milk or cream if you got it, just to give it a little creaminess, okay? So it doesn't seem like it's just broth, okay? Once it's cooked down and you got some juices and some water flowing in there from the vegetables, puree it, okay? Either use your immersion blender or I use my Ninja, but you need to blend it all up. Make sure there are no chunks in there, honey. No chunks, because you know the kids gonna come for you if they got chunks in their food, okay? Blend it up real nice. When you think it's blended, blend it a little bit more. Give it extra 15 seconds or whatever the case is, okay? Then you're going to put it back in the pot, babe. When you put it back in the pot, add you a little bit of chicken bouillon seasoning, and then you're going to add cold water. Cold water. Don't add hot water because it's already popping everywhere, okay? And I done been burned by this recipe too many daggone times. I've learned my lesson. Add cold water. It's not going to make a bit of a difference, okay? Mix that up. Once you mix that up, boo, get you some potatoes. I don't care what type of potatoes you use. I had a couple russet and a couple yellow or gold, whatever the hell you want to call them, potatoes. So I put both of them joints in there, okay? Once you do that, put the chicken back in there, okay? Put the chicken back. You thought I was going to leave the chicken out, didn't you? Put the chicken back on in there. Add all the juices that sat there from the chicken. And then we're going to put the lid back on. And you're going to walk away. And you're going to do something that doesn't involve cooking or whatever the case is. Go outside. Go for a walk for a minute. You feel me? Go check on the kids. Go see what... Actually, don't check on them damn kids. They all right. If ain't nobody screaming or if it's not quiet, they fine. Come back a little bit later. Mix it up. See how lovely it looks, because look at that. Oh my gosh, I could just eat it through the screen. Oh my, it's so freaking good, y'all. And I genuinely mean that. Like, I'm not even saying it because like it's got a whole bunch of veggies in it. That's just an added perk. You're welcome, okay? When you come back, mix it up again, and then you're going to grab you, like I said, the Parmesan Romano cheese and some either heavy cream or some milk. I had half and half, okay? We using what we got in the house, baby. Add a little bit of that in there. It looks chunky because it was a little frozen, okay? Don't come for me. But add that in there, and then you're going to add the Parmesan cheese. Add a couple handfuls of cheese. Cheese it up how you like it, okay? If you like more cheese in yours, add more cheese. If you like less cheese, add less cheese. My family likes cheese, so I added about 2.5, maybe 3 handfuls, okay, of cheese. It's not a big deal. As long as the veggies are in there, we cooking. We cooking with hot grease, baby girl, okay? Mix that up. Make sure you scrape the bottoms because the potatoes will try to stick. Don't let them potatoes stick, okay? See, I add a little more cheese. See what I'm talking about? And then I just magically found some green beans in the refrigerator, y'all. They thought they was going to get away with not seeing a vegetable today. Not in my house! Get the green beans out. Put the green beans in there. Cut the stems, cut the ends off of them, and go and put them in there, sugar. Let that cook down, and boom, you got you some rice and some sourdough naan that we made to go with it. Put that food over that daggone rice. Make sure you don't be eating the bones now, sugar. Okay, make sure you don't bust them bones down. Okay, this ain't fish. All right, but yeah, y'all, this is one of our favorite recipes in the house. Like, if you want it specifically, I got you. Holla at me. All right, make sure you like, y'all. Love you.